Hello students, in this video we will study session 4, create and use macros in spreadsheets of unit 2, that is electronic spreadsheets. For the practical session again we will use OpenOffice Calc. So first let's understand what macros are and why are they used in spreadsheet software. Macros simply mean recorded set of actions that can be any formatting or any formula in similar range of cells which can be used again and again for different set of data. Macros are basically used when any user wants to reuse some set of actions again and again. So in this case, macros provides us with the functionality of saving the set of actions once and reusing them as and when required. Therefore, macros are the features which helps in saving our time, as it is also specified in the second point that is displayed there on the screen. It helps in saving time in cases when same set of tasks are to be done repeatedly, like formatting or applying similar formula in similar range of data. Let's check it practically how we can record and run macros. I have already created a table specifying the list of subjects and the marks obtained by the student. The marks that are specified are out of 50. So the maximum marks is 300 and the marks obtained by the student is 273. So here we'll calculate the percentage obtained by the student and we'll be recording a macro for the same. So to record the macro, first click on this tools option and then select macros, submenu item and click on record macro. After you will click on this is the screen that appears that specifies the macro is being recorded. After that, place your cursor in the cell where you want to add the formula. So the formula for the percentage, we'll apply it here. We'll place equal to sign, then total. I have selected the cell where total is present. It has automatically obtained the address. Then divide maximum marks into 100. This is what is the formula for percentage that we have applied manually, and we'll press enter. After calculating the percentage, we will stop the recording from here. After we'll tap on stop recording, this is the screen that appears. Here we are required to save the name of the macro that we have recorded. For this, first you are required to select the file name on which you are working. So the file on which I'm working is practical macros and it is given here at the bottom. So I'll select the file. Right now it is not having any library. So I'm going to create a library where I will be saving all the macros that I'm going to create in this file. So tap on new library. This is the name that is given by default. You can rename it. You can provide it any name. Student. Click OK. So this is the library that is created. Now it is asking us to provide the name to the macro. So we have calculated the percentage. So let us keep the name of the macro as percentage. Click on save. Now we have saved the macro. If we want to reuse this macro again, I have created another table for another student. And this is the second table. I want to reuse that macro. So to reuse the recorded macro, select again the tools menu item. From there, select macros and click on run macro. After you will click on run macro, a dialog box will appear that will ask you to select the name of the macro that you have already saved. So this is the dialog box that appears. So the macro that I have saved is under this practical macro file on which I'm working. Select that. The library in which we have saved the macro is the student library. In that, this is the module 1. Select that. And from here, these are the list of macros that are created. The one which we have created is percentage. We'll select that and we'll click on run. After we'll tap on run, you can identify that the percentage is automatically calculated. So this is the way of recording the macro once and reusing that again and again. So in this session, we have studied how to record a macro and how to run a macro. We have even studied the benefits of using macros in spreadsheet software. So the assignment for you is read Unit 2 electronic spreadsheets, go through the notes that have been shared with you, and keep your queries ready for the upcoming online classes. Thank you, students. That's all from my side. Bye and take care.